that is pleasing, a sound
of praise that's lifted into the atmosphere.
Every time
you lift your voice,
you need to know that Jesus
loves to hear the sound of
that is pleasing, a sound of praise, the atmosphere.